Today we're going to practice checking multiplication problems using digital roots. So we're going to get the digital root of the factors, just like we were getting digital root thus far this week, and we're going to see if the answer gives us the correct digital root. So I'm going to start by figuring out what the digital root of the answer should be. So 987 is my first factor, so I'm going to do 9 plus 8 plus 7, and I'm going to keep adding until I end up with a single digit number. Now 9 plus 8 is 17, and then 17 plus 7 is 24, and 24 is 2 digits, so I'm going to add those again, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So the digital root of 987 is 6. Now 25 is a little bit easier to do. All you have to do is 2 plus 5, and you get 7. So the digital root of my two factors are 6 and 7. So I'm going to take those and get the product because this is a multiplication problem. So I'm going to multiply them. So 6 times 7 is 42. And then, of course, I get the digital root. So you just keep getting digital roots of everything. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So when I answer this problem, if I did it correctly, the answer should have a digital root of 6. So I'm going to start solving this, and I am going to make a mistake on purpose, so don't panic. But then I'm going to see that I have it wrong by using the digital root. So 5 times 7 is 35, carry the 3. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 3 is 43. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 4 is 49. Then I'm going to put my 0 and move over. 2 times 7 is 14, carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1. And 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. And I'm going to add those up, so I get 5, 7, 15. This adds up to 14, and then 1 and 1 is 2. So there's my answer, 24,575. Now, if that is correct, it will have a digital root of 6. And if it does not, it means I got it incorrect. So I'm going to start by adding 2 plus 4, and I get 6, and then 6 plus 5, and I get 11. 11 plus 7, and I get 18, and 18 plus 5 gives me 23. But remember, we have to keep going till we get that single digit, and 2 plus 3 gives me 5, not 6. So since those two digital roots do not match, I know I made a mistake somewhere. And then I would go back and check over my work, and you probably saw it when I did it. 2 times 8 is 16, but then I forgot to add the 1 that I carried. So this should actually be a 7. Okay, and that means this would be a 6. And then if I re-add it, I would get 24, and the digital root would actually be 6. So I'm going to be giving you some problems today, and I want you to use the digital root to check the answers. So you don't have to actually solve them. I just want you to see if the answer is right or wrong.